Alright, so this is the AG volume indicator. As we can see right now, we're looking at a different forex pair. We're looking at the Great Britain pound to the US dollar on the 4-hour chart. From about May 2019 to our current date of February 13th, 2020. As you can see, there have been 3 trades, all winners. You would have definitely made your money with this indicator back. However, this is a long-term chart, so a lot of the time, traders want to trade within the day, within the week, within the month, rather than within the months or years. So if we're looking at a 4-hour chart, let me just go to a 15-minute chart to see how this will work out. As we can see over here, within the past month, actually within the past 2 weeks, there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. They have been majority winners. A few of them may have faced, one of them may have faced a tiny loss or a break even or even a profit if you exited the trade at the right time, and if you set your stop losses, something that we'll go over in the mastermind. But you would have made money from this. So this is the Great Britain pound to the US dollar. Now let's look at a cryptocurrency. Let's look at Ethereum to the US dollar. This is Ethereum to the US dollar on the 1-hour chart, looking at it from November 19th. This is a winning trade. This is probably a break-even trade, maybe a tiny bit of a loss. This is a winning trade, and this is a huge bearish winning trade. Keep in mind that if you are using a cryptocurrency exchange such as Coinbase to buy and sell, you won't make as much as when you trade. There's a difference between buying and selling and trading, because sometimes when you trade, the accounts are leveraged by brokers, so you can make a lot more. You can lose a lot more as well. So you have to know what you're doing. Now, let's look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Over here, this is from October 2019. As you can see, very bullish, very bearish, a little bit bearish, very bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, a little bit bearish. This may have been a tiny loss, but you would have definitely made more than you would have lost. Now, this is what everyone has been speaking about this year. Tesla, extremely bullish last year. As you can see over here, long would have made profit, short, long, very long. This is an hour time frame, by the way. And then there was a short over here. Now, even if we look at this on the 15-minute time frame, there might have been minor shorts, but ultimately the gains, the amount of you will profit is much greater than the amount you will lose. Let's look at Facebook on the 30-minute chart. Now, this is from July 19th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. And keep in mind, you're going to be getting notifications every time the trend changes, so that you can just jump directly onto your phone or onto your laptop and make these trades. Now let's go back to the Great Britain pound US dollar. Why go back here? Let's just check how much we would have made on this last trade on the 15-minute time frame. Alright, now let's see. We got into this trade over here at 1.29321. So that's 29321 on Great Britain pound to US dollar. And we want to long it, and the price right now is 34.66 US dollar. sorry, we got in at the wrong, I put in the wrong entry. That's 29,365. Five. Around here, let's say we enter over here 1.29365 Great Britain pound, 29,365, and the close price over here 34.68. And with a 1.0 lot size, now you would have entered into this trade on February 10th, and within the past 3 days, that's the amount you would have made with the standard lot size. Now let's take that into consideration as well. That, you do the math. This, the volume indicator is helping lots and lots of people. And keep in mind the notifications. This is probably the greatest feature of this. You will receive notifications sent directly to your email, cell phone, telling you when the trend is changing.